This is Rex from Capland Properties. Now we've got digital meters, and boy, there is a variety of them. So we filmed most of them so you know how to read your meters. We hope you enjoy your stay with us.
The meter reading for this meter is 23296. You only need the black digits. You just need to read the numbers in the black boxes. The reading for this one is 06898. To wake up the meter, press the button on the right and hold. Your meter reading appears and is 00051. To get your meter reading, press the left button until you see import. This is the meter reading, 313. To light up the screen to get your meter reading, press the A button. The meter reading for this property is 03108. To read the meter, press the A button to light up the screen. Press the A button again. Your meter reading will come up here, total act import 006634. Ignore the number after the decimal point. The meter reading is 03843. To light up the screen and get your meter reading, press 9. The meter reading is 0012912. The meter reading for this property is 77908. To get your meter reading, press the A button, wait for the screen to light up. Your meter reading is 06710. To get your meter reading, press the middle button. The meter reading for this property is 1500. Your meter reading will already be on screen. The meter reading is 05285. If it is not on screen, press the A button and it will appear. The meter reading for this one is 22487. Press 9 on the keypad and this will bring up your meter reading. The meter reading for this property is 1048. This is your electric meter. Your property address is abbreviated here. Press the top button to keep going through until your meter reading appears. This is your meter reading, 3203.
This is an old style meter, 47459. This is an Aclara 1411B. To wake it up, press 8. There is the reading of the kilowatt hours, 10901. This is a GYR E470. This is the meter reading. This is a Käfer MA120 meter. We're currently seeing the time, the date, and now. The reading, which is 5299 kilowatt hours. Simply read the number on the screen. 70160 is the reading.
This is your gas meter. Your property address is abbreviated here. To get your meter reading, press the middle button. The reading for this property is 01506.
With this meter, press the left button, and where it says import, that is your reading.
This is a water meter. It will be labelled with your property address. The meter reading for this property is 2694.